In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a source from Google News. First, go to Google News. You can do this by typing news.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a clean and organized layout featuring various news articles. This is where Google curates news based on your interests and preferences. It is designed to keep you informed about topics that matter to you. Taking the time to manage your sources is important because it allows you to customize your news feed. This ensures you receive information that is relevant and engaging for you. Next, sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and a login prompt will appear. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. This step is crucial as it connects your personalized news experience with your Google account. You may see a welcome message or your profile picture appear, confirming that you are logged in. Once that is done, look to the left side of the screen and click on Following. This section features the sources and topics you have chosen to follow. Here you can see all the news sources you are currently subscribed to. It helps you easily navigate to the sources you want to manage. Being aware of your following list is beneficial because it allows you to streamline your news consumption. Now find sources. In the following section, you will see a list of news sources. Scroll through this list until you locate the specific source you want to remove. It might take a moment to find it, especially if you follow many sources. This is a simple but important step, as it ensures you are targeting the right source for removal. After that, find the news source you want to remove. Pay attention to the names and logos of the sources, as they will help you identify the correct one. This is particularly useful if you remember specific topics or publications you no longer wish to follow. Ensuring you have the right source is key to avoiding any unintentional removals. At this point, click the three dots next to the source. This icon is often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on it will reveal additional options related to the source you want to manage. This step is straightforward but essential, as it opens up the necessary actions you can take regarding the source. Next up, click Remove from your interests or unfollow. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation. This action will effectively remove the source from your list, ensuring you no longer receive updates from it. It's a relief to know that you can easily manage your news preferences, keeping your feed relevant to your interests. By following these steps, you have successfully removed a source from Google News. Remember, managing your news sources helps you stay informed without unnecessary distractions. Thank you for watching and enjoy your customized news experience.